Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. And viewer, in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install K7 Total Security for your PC. Okay, in this video I will show you how to download and install it. Without wasting time, go to our browser and search here K7 Total Security and open this first website k7computing.com. And after this you can see here the interface of the website. It is an antivirus or anti-malware security software for your PC. Okay, and this is the total overview and the background of the software and its company. Okay, you can see here everything, reviews and the feedback of the users or clients. So after that you can check out everything here. Okay, so we will try to download free trial for our PC or get premium full version for our PC to buy. In this way I am showing you how to do it. Okay, and you can see here K7 Total Ultimate Security Try, our award winning antivirus protection and multi-device, that is 30-day free trial and try now for your Windows, Mac OS or Android or iPhone. Okay, you can download for your all devices, and we will download for our Windows. Okay, we will provide our name and mobile number, email ID, and download. Download. Download for our Windows, Mac OS, iPhone or Play Store for Android. Okay, I'm going to download for our Windows operating system. Ultimate Edition for free trial for our PC. Okay, Windows. Okay, so as you can see here, the Ultimate Edition of free trial of for our Windows has been started to be downloaded, and that is about 242 MB setup. And after this download we will install it into our PC and enjoy the free trial for 30 days with K7 Total Security. And if you want to download for your Mac operating system, then you can download from here, and iPhone you can download from here, and for Android then you can download from here Play Store using your Play Store app. Okay, and after this download we will install it into our PC and enjoy the 30-day trial. Thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe to my channel, friends, if you are new on this channel. Thank you so much.